Q Cinema, Motorsports. I was here naman the first night. First, syempre I'm familiar with Tito Ricky, but the first time I worked with him was for a soap. He was my co-actor and he was also my director. So, it was called Paano Ang Pangako. He directed it and he was also my co-actor. So, dun pa lang, na-witness ko the first time kung gano'n siya kahusay. And other than that, like, kahit director and actor ko siya nun, sobrang bait na pa rin, no matter the heat, no matter the stress. He was always nice, kind to everybody, polite to everybody, and worked with grace under pressure. His advice all the time, I really look up to him. I haven't posted much because really hit me heavy. I was supposed to see him this week. I was supposed to visit him this week. But yun nga, the Lord has different plans. And I'm just happy he's at peace now. But of course, I miss all the guys. As an actor and as an artist in general, he was always generous with us. I was talking to Ara, this daughter, and Ricky, this child. So we were scheduling it. Actually, January, we found out December last year. And I wanted to visit in January, but he was trying out daw. But then iuwi na daw siya in the hospital. So I was like, oh, okay, I'll just go then when I get back from my trip in Hong Kong. Pero yun, yun na the last day song also. But yeah, he's at least now, and I'm sure he's singing up there and making everyone enjoy his presence.
Thank you so much.
Guys.
Hindi lang naman siya mawawala. Okay, very quick na lang ba, Ayan? As far, of course, you're here for Sir Michi, of course.
Of course, diba? He's a dear to me. And I've done so much work with Ricky. Aside from that, I would like to believe that he's a dear friend. I'd like to give my last respects and to honor him. He's done so much, especially for the industry. It's sad, but I guess, di ba, ganun naman talaga lahat, wala naman ibang pupuntahan. You're sad because you will miss him, his presence, yung earthly presence niya. But you're happy too because there's no more pain and that he's finally home in the loving arms of our Father and of our God. So, yun.
Ano na po yung nakatrabaho niyo po sa Sir Michi?
Ang dami na. But you know what? Yeah, but one of the more memorable ones na film was when we did American Adobo. Kasi at the time we all stayed, Ricky, myself, Dina, Christopher, we all stayed in New York for about 3 months and we were billeted in our own apartments. Tapos, everybody knows naman, di ba? Sobrang friendly ni Ricky, Mr. Congeniality, di ba? So, basta parang siya, he was assigned in an apartment. He was assigned in an apartment na parang hiwalay sa amin kasi kami, we were billeted in one building. So si Direk Luis, si Direk Limeli, our director of photography. Tapos basta ako, tapos si Mr. Boyet sa top floor. So siya yata sa iba, tapos si Dina rin sa iba. So sabi niya sa akin, pare, sa'yo na lang ako titira. Sabi ko, ha? May one bedroom apartment lang yan. Kasi gusto niya nga laging chika, di ba? He's very friendly. Kaya sabi ko, sigurado kasi ginaba rin din ako malayo sa grupo kasi gusto niya laging kasama sa grupo. Plus, it was really fun na magkakasama kami nila directly. Sabi ko, sige, o basta ha, Ricky ha, ano tayo ha, magkahiwalay tayo. Tapos, tinuloko ko lang siya, o basta wag mo kong hawakan sa gabi.
Friends lang
Yeah,
tayo.
parang ganyan. But, I mean, but that's how, I'd say comfortable we are with each other, and every time we see each other, hindi regularly, but every time we see each other, parang, we'd pick it up from the last time we seen each other, parang ganyan. That's the kind of, friendship we had, parang ganyan. So gano'n, yung mga lokohan namin, tapos basta ang dami, and everybody's saying it, di ba? Pero yung sarili, any gathering, pag hinawakan na yung mic, di ba, hindi niya na talaga binibitawan. So, minsan, pag kami yung magkasama, nag-aagawan kami kasi medyo ganun din ako, last song, last song, parang ganyan.
Alright.
Sobra. We will dearly miss him, but everybody knows the good work and all the contributions he's made to the film industry. So,
Miss Pai, thank you so much for taking this interview. Salamat po. Can I just get a photo of you?
Of course.
Wonderful. Salamat po. Miss Pai,
Maraming
I'm
salamat. Ayun, sorry po. Genial.
Daniel Perez.
Yeah.
Gan na lang po.
Yeah.
Gan.
Got it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Miss Pai,
Of course. Of course.
Kasi baka nabisi lang po kayo kagabi kasi talagang ano kayo.
Akala ko, bibigyan ko yung isang
Hindi,
doon,
sabi ko,
alalay.
pagbigyan mo na, ang dinig niya, bigyan mo yung alala.
Kailangan walang problema. Kasama niyo po kagabi si Sir, di ba, Eddie?
Yes.
Oh, so ngayon,
Si Eddie at si Ricky, marami nagawang pelikula sa teleserye naman.
ayun. So talagang
Ako
din na
naman,
sila.
kay Ricky naman, mayroon kasing Wednesday Club, si Mother Lily. Lagi kami magkasama,
Birthday
Wednesday.
ko, lagi siya nun.
Birthday ko lagi. Pero yung last birthday ko, hindi siya sumugot sa akin, sa hospital na pala.
Ayun. Oh, kaka-celebrate niyo lang ito eh. Nakita ko nga yung mga pictures niyo din nung last celebration. So hindi siya nakaabutan nun, pero na-invite niyo siya noon.
Oo, pati sa birthday ni Eddie kasi gusto ko siya imbitahin kasi magaling kumanta tapos ayaw huminto.
Saan na ba po yung mga kinakanta sa inyo ni Ricky?
Yung mga favorite niyang Elvis songs. Sila
Mga
ni
Tita
Eddie.
Caba din
Yeah,
ba?
sila ni Eddie.
Yes.
Nami-miss ko si Ricky kasi masayang kausap yun. Bait pa.
So sabi niyo dati pa magkatrabaho na kayo kahit si Sir Eddie naging
Si
katrabaho
Eddie lang,
niya.
ako hindi. Hindi
Ah.
mo ako artista doon.
So dahil kay Sir Eddie, naging kumbaga tumawid na rin yung friendship niyo, nabuo
At
na
saka
yung
kay
friendship.
Mother Lily, kay Malo Pagar, mga grupo ba sa Wednesday group.
So any message sa family ni Sir Ricky sa mga naiwan niya, pati yung legacy niya, sana mapagpatuloy ng mga anak niya, sa tingin niyo ano yung magiging future?
Okay naman yung mga anak naman niya, wala namang problema, malalaki na.
Mhm.
Okay naman si Jackie Loring. Hindi na kailangan mag-message sa kanila kasi successful na lahat sila.
So tingin niyo yung legacy ni Sir Ricky talagang will live on and on?
Siguro, sana,
Opo. Kasi sabi niyo rin, magaling kumanta tapos marunong makisama kasi naging friends niyo
magaling
talaga.
makasama. Magaling talaga.
Alright.
Last ko siya nakita sa wake ni Mother. After that, wala na. August.
Tsaka maganda sa inyo hanggang sa huling sandali na andito siya. Talagang you give time. Talagang,
Of course naman. Of course. Okay, dong.
Mama Annabelle, thank you.
Thank you, Miss Annabelle.
Bye-bye.